I just want to show you guys that this client here, he's got a little bit of decorations. I want to show you something I've never seen before. Look at this skeleton here. Look how big this is. Look how big that is. It's higher than the house. I've never ever seen a skeleton like this. Isn't that something? Look how big that guy is. So I had to show you guys that. Never seen anything that big. The decorations are coming out and we're in October, so people are starting to decorate. I think with this, I'm not sure, but with everything that's going on, I think people are just enjoying being at their house and doing stuff. Alright, I'll show you guys where we're at here. I'll show you the job. And look at this nice little passageway here. You guys got quite a bit of land here. I'll show you guys. Look how far down that goes. So we used to have a pool here. I guess back in the day you had a pool there. So where the pool was right there. I'll go show you guys down here in the corner where the land here is really wet. So you see that the hedges don't grow good. See how bad they're getting worse and worse and worse. Then when you get down here, that's because the land is full of soaked with water. That's why the hedges don't grow here. As you go up the little hill, things get better. Plus there's more sun, a lot more sun. Alright. Alright, off to the next one. Just showing you guys here how the hedges look really good. A lot of stuff going on here. Look at all these bird feeders. Looks nice. Maybe I'll use that as a thumbnail. Yeah, things are really nice here. See how everything is done, looks good. They have nice gardens. We're late in the season, so the gardens are all closed up. Looks like people are closing their pools right now. I think they're gonna be closing ours this week. All right, look at all the nice flowers here. Look at all the work that went into this place. Beautiful place here, retired couple. Not too big, all on the same floor. Looks really good. Look at that. So we do on the back side earlier in the season, the neighbor out back. We just did this Christmas tree, getting ready for Christmas. I'll show you guys up close this Christmas tree. Looks good. Looks nice. That's an up close look at a Christmas tree. All right. Here's our little pile from this place. These big ones we just did here. Look how good that looks. This is a new owner here. I'll show you guys here. We couldn't use the boom vans here. We had to do it all by ladder, except the first part. The first part right here we could back in the van, but the rest all had to be done with ladder. I'll show you guys up here from the porch. Did this little thing here. It's kind of rough. We just cleaned it up a bit, but this is the nice job right here. This is where it looks good. We cleaned it from his little cabin out back there, a little place where he puts his stuff, his lawnmower and stuff. So we just cleaned that off the side there. Looks really good. Another satisfied customer. All right. Guys are down on the corner there doing another neighbor. We'll go see if we have time to get anything. If not, we'll be off to the next one. Look how good that looks. Sun is out this afternoon. Yeah, sun is out this afternoon. Gonna be good. We enjoy it when there's sun out. Who doesn't enjoy that, huh? Alright. Let's go see what else we can get into. Alright, you guys. We just finished this one up here. The rough one. Hadn't been done in quite a few years. Somebody new for us. Pretty high. We did the neighbors this summer, so that saved us a bit. Looks good. The sides look good. Not very thick. You can see right through it. You can see the neighbor's car right there. Yeah, because we did the neighbors maybe a month and a half ago, about. Yeah, you see the neighbors we did. Oh, that looks good. Alright. Alright, look at this, how this came out. Looks really good. We used a boom van right here. We backed right in. We cleared the bottom here. Usually they have their flowers. Second time we do it this year. They wanted it all fixed up. So next year we won't be doing it in the spring. We'll only be doing it in the fall. Alright, look at that. Great. Nice day today. Sun is out. Alright. We're out of here. Look at the beautiful sunset. Look how nice that looks. I just thought I'd show you guys this beautiful sunset we had tonight in October. A beautiful sunset for October. Alright, you guys, enjoy.